Hello friends, welcome back to StudyCell. In this video, we will make a smart timer control relay using ESP32 and a RTC module to control the staircase light, but you can use the same circuit for water pump control or plant watering system. For this project, you don't need any Wi-Fi. The ESP32 will create its own access point, so we just have to enter the IP to open the dashboard. Now in the dashboard, we can monitor the current time, date. In your case, if the time is wrong, you can directly go to the RTC tab, then tap on this button to sync the RTC module with your mobile time. Now to set the timer, we have to go to the schedule, then select the on time, then select the off time. We can also select the weekdays according to the requirement. Now save the time. Now on the dashboard, we can see the on and off time, and with these buttons we can easily control the relay anytime, and also we can control the relay with manual switches or push button and monitor the real-time feedback on the dashboard. Here you can see the relay automatically turns on, and on the OLED we can also monitor the current time, relay state. This OLED is optional. If you want, you can connect it. Now let me turn off the complete supply. Here you can see ESP32 do not have any power supply right now. Now let me turn on the supply again, and here you can see the lamp automatically turns on, so ESP32 can also remember the previous states. And if the timer is activated and in case of any emergency you want to turn off the relay, you can always turn off the relay with these buttons or manual switch. And here you can see the relay automatically turn off as per the predefined time, and this timer also support overnight timing. During the video I will share the circuit source code, so after watching the complete video anyone can make this project. So without any further delay, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Altium, a world-class PCB design software trusted by many of the biggest electronic companies. The user interface is so simple, you can easily design any complex PCB in Altium. It brings together PCB design, MCAD, data management and teamwork. It also provides centralized cloud storage, automatic backup and many more powerful features. And if you are a student, you can also enroll Altium Student Lab for free to get access Altium software and online PCB design courses. After completing the course, you will also receive a certificate of completion from Altium. There are many other key benefits, so I highly recommend checking out the Altium Student Lab. You will find a link in the description. Just enroll using your university email ID. It's a great opportunity for students and a great initiative from Altium to help you grow your skill in electronics design. These are the required components for this project. Now we have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. Here the ESP32 fetch the time from this RTC module. This OLED is optional. If you want, you can connect it. Now you can either use active low or active high relay module, and to control the relay manually I have connected this switch across the D13 and ground. And if you want, instead of the latch switch, you can also connect a push button. To make the circuit compact, I have designed this PCB. You can also download the GAVA file from the video description, but for this project I am going to make the complete circuit on the Zero PCB. For that, first you have to download the layout and print it on a A4 page. Then place all the components one by one as per the layout. Then you can easily connect all the components together with the help of the bottom layout. After soldering, the PCB will be look like this. Now first let me connect the ESP32, then the OLED. Again the OLED is optional. Then the RTC module. Now I will connect the ESP32 with my laptop to upload the code. Now this is the source code for this project. You can download the code from our website iotcircuithub.com. Just visit the article. You can find a link in the video description. Then download the code from this button. After downloading, let me open the sketch with Arduino IDE. Now for this project you have to install this version of the ESP32 board, and you need to install all these required libraries. I have also mentioned the version. Now in the user config you can select this flag according to your circuit. Now if you want to use active low relay module, make this flag true. For active high relay module, make it false. For push button manual control, make it true, here I'm going to use latch switch, so I have made this flag false. Then if you want to save the on off time in the EEPROM, then make this variable true, otherwise you can make it false. And for the serial debug message, you can make this flag true. So after setting all these flag, here you can see these are the GPIO pins I have used for this project. Now for the factory reset, I have used the onboard boot button which is connected with the GPIO 0. So if you want to use any other GPIO pins, you can make the change here. Otherwise keep it as it is. Then in the Wi-Fi configuration, you have to enter the SSID and password. With this name, ESP32 will create the hotspot and this will be the password. So let me change the password. So you can also give the name password according to your requirement. Now these are the configuration for the OLED. As I said, the OLED is optional. If you connect the OLED, you can change the configuration as per your OLED, and if you use the same OLED, keep it as it is. So you just have to change the SSID and password. If you use the same circuit, then after doing these changes, you can directly upload the code. Now let me go to tools, select the board as Do It ESP32 Dev Kit V1. So if you go to board, select ESP32. From here you will find the Do It ESP32 Dev Kit V1. Then select the COM port. After doing this, just hit the upload button. Now if you go through the code, you can easily understand. Still, if you have any query, you can visit the same article. You can find a link in the description. In that article, I will explain the complete code line by line so that anyone can understand the code. Here you can see the code is pretty big, more than 2000 lines, and after successfully uploading the code, let me open the serial monitor, and here I have selected the baud rate 115200. Now here you can monitor the current time directly from the RTC module. In your case, if the time is wrong, don't worry, we can set the time later on directly from the mobile. Only make sure you don't see any error in the serial monitor. Here you can see our circuit is ready. I have connected the relay and manual switch with the PCB. Now let me turn on the supply, and on the OLED we can monitor the current date, time, and also the relay state. Let me turn on the relay with the manual switch, and here you can see currently the relay is on. Now let me turn it off, and here you can see now the relay is off. Now as I said, the ESP32 will create an access point and we can easily connect with the access point. So let me turn on the Wi-Fi, and here we should see the access point name. So this is the access point name, ESP32 Timer. Let me enter the password. Now it will connect with the access point. Then I have to open any browser, then enter the fixed IP. So this is the IP. Now we will just hit the enter to see our dashboard, and here you can see currently it's showing the live time from the RTC module. If you don't see the current time, just go to RTC tab, then press this button, sync with RTC with phone. Now the phone time will directly fetch by the ESP32 and sync with the RTC module. Now let me create the schedule. So I will go to schedule. First let me see the time. Currently it is 12:29. So let me fix the schedule 12, then 30, then let me select the off time 12:31. You can also select the weekdays. Now I will click on save. Now I will go to home. You can see the currently schedule is 12:30 to 12:31. So at 12:30 the lamp should automatically turn on, and you can always turn on and off the lamp with this manual switch, and monitor the real-time feedback. Currently it is on. Let me turn it off. So it is showing off. Now you have to wait till 12:30. So let me fast forward the video, and here you can see the lamp turn on at 12:30. Now again let me fast forward the video, but before that, as the timer is on and lamp is on, during this time if I turn off the complete supply, you can see now everything turn off. Let me turn on the supply again. The ESP32 will remember the previous state, so the lamp automatically turns on, and after turning on the supply, here you can see we can monitor the current time, and the relay will automatically turn off at 12:31. So let me again fast forward the video, and we can also monitor the time on the OLED. So here you can see the lamp automatically turns off, and from the tool you can restart the ESP32, you can do the factory reset. So this is a very useful project. You don't need any Wi-Fi. In upcoming videos I will try to connect Firebase with this, so you can also set the timer through internet from anywhere in the world. So let me know if you want any other features I can add to this project in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.